Come test drive the 2018 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.